a little bit quiet because we're recording. So it's gonna go on YouTube. Yes, it's gonna go on YouTube. So we have to be good.
아니 그러니까 저
that is gonna be on YouTube. Not
유튜브에 올라오는 우리 영상이
no. Teacher's face is gonna be on YouTube.
teacher.
That's it.
득득
It's just like
블랙.
yes. What?
모자이크 옷.
I'm gonna put emoji on Jasmine's face. So whose idea was it to use cans to recycle? Sarah. Okay. So because of you, we're gonna do something. We're gonna use something that somebody may think it's trash and make it into something really pretty. First, we're gonna take a can. Everybody has a can.
Me, I can.
Yeah. Well,
I can have a can.
take a knife. You have to be very, very careful.
Yeah.
I asked for gloves. There are no gloves.
Yeah.
So this is called. Who knows what this is called?
Knife.
Well, what
Roll
kind
knife.
of knife? What kind of knife?
Cutter.
Box cutter. You're gonna need this. You're gonna need a pair of scissors.
Yes.
And of course the can. So you're gonna take a can.
Be careful, teacher.
I know.
Be careful.
That's what I'm telling you guys. Be careful. So you're gonna cut the top off. Be
Teacher,
very,
be careful
very.
your hand.
If you keep saying it, teacher's gonna cut her hand.
Yeah.
Stop saying it.
Okay, cut your hand. It's okay, 나타이.
Alright, so then you cut this off. You twist it, right?
I'm sorry.
Right here. So then you take the pair of scissors.
Oh, teacher, it is very sharp.
Yeah,
What we are gonna make today?
I'm gonna show you.
But I can see.
Alright. So you're gonna cut it. You're gonna cut it all the way open,
Yeah.
right?
But
Hold on.
yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna have this. Okay, so you wipe it, right?
Wow.
And then you can either use this side or you can use this side. So I'm gonna give you guys a paper. Who knows what this is? What's the English word?
Butterfly.
Good job, butterfly. Look at Jasmine over here. Please, sleeping.
건방.
So we're gonna take a butterfly. Teacher printed out the butterfly. You're gonna cut whichever butterfly you want.
Yeah.
You're gonna cut it. You're gonna cut it, right?
not cut. Not cut through.
So you're gonna cut it like this,
Wow.
right?
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. So you're gonna put the butterfly
Yeah.
and you're gonna trace it.
Trace it.
You're gonna take, yes, trace. You're gonna take a pencil and you're gonna trace it. Okay, so after you trace it
Yeah.
and it's on here,
Yeah.
you're gonna take your scissors and cut it, right?
Wow.
Why I have to cut it?
So once you cut it, you're gonna use this to color it,
where else?
Wow. Where?
and then it's gonna be like this.
Wow.
떨렸어. 떨렸어.
So this is it. So this is new. This is butterfly. So
it's
sometimes
material.
you can use this, and in your bedroom, you can put it on the wall.
Oh, very scary.
So it'll be all the cans
Iron
will be. So you can do it like this. You can put one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and it looks beautiful. It looks like butterflies.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Beautiful.
So it says yes or no.
No.
Yes, Sarah. It's your idea. Yes or no.
Yes.
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 Okay. Can I get a clap? The teacher did a good job.